Rashmi Kumar, and I thank all of you all for coming here today. I'm actually humbled by your presence. I know the press is very, very busy, but you all have taken time for me and my wife, and I am very, very, very grateful. So I thank all of you guys here for coming here today. My wife, you all know, and you're not, and I thank you for the respect you all have shown her. My wife is not just beautiful and talented and a great actress. She's a lot more than that. Her beauty, I'm sorry, I don't know Telugu, but I'm going to learn soon. But her beauty is actually very, very skin deep. You'll see culture and respect she has for her family, her friends and her loved ones. And also the respect that she shows with people around her amazes me. And I'm fortunate to be married to you. My wife is an amazing actress. And I'm so proud and inspired every day by this woman here. Thank you. So Chennai for us is home.
ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, కామెంట్, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.